Oh, it's time for a gummy short. Man, it sucks you have to go.
Yeah, I know that.
By any chance, though, would you know where my sister's makeup has gone?
Man, I don't know. Maybe you should ask your mother or something.
You sure, man?
Man, I don't know, man. I don't know.
And there you go. The very first GT production short. Well, tell me if you liked it. And if you like it, tell your friends that you liked it. Well, bye.